Welcome to Viavi Observer Apex. This demonstration will illustrate the value of active testing in gaining visibility into cloud-based services, the value of active testing in proactive problem identification, and the value of automated end-user experience scoring in understanding performance from the end-user's perspective. Observer Apex has alerted you to a poor end-user experience for Microsoft Dynamics 365. The end-user experience score is 4.3 out of 10, which is in the critical range. This score, combined with the map, give you severity, scope, and impact. This issue is affecting all your sites. And you see that just before 7:30 a.m., active testing revealed that HTTP 500 internal service errors were being returned. Clicking on the end-user experience score confirms your suspicion that this is an application issue. But you want more than just the high-level problem domain, so you drill down to get more details on server utilization and performance. Most of the dynamic servers are performing well, but you notice two related things. The busiest server is also the worst performing server, and starting around 7:30 a.m., the user experience score dropped, which is also when those 500 errors started appearing. When you drill down to that server to look at connection details, you immediately determine that the Observer Active Test Agent, which had been receiving 200 OK responses from the server, is now seeing the internal server errors. One more click makes the correlation crystal clear. Ongoing active testing has revealed that everything was fine until about 7:30 a.m., but now you have a problem. In about 2 minutes, your active testing approach has given you visibility into a cloud-based service, proactively identified a performance problem, provided details on severity, scope, and root cause, and helped you understand performance from the perspective of your end users. For more information, please visit viavisolutions.com/ptv.